Okay, finally, AI. Yeah, it's a really popular topic during this TPAC. Every topic, if you don't have a good name with AI, maybe you will lose a lot of participants. Yeah, so Dom and I start work on AI months ago as a W3C team in W3C team. We try to figure out a lot of things in W3C from W3C team. So today I will have a short briefing on how W3C engage in AI, and we will look at why AI matters for the web and AI related works at W3C, and also some future works from W3C on AI. AI nowadays is everywhere. It even supports global economics. But to us, I think the most important thing is web technology are increasingly embedding into the web ecosystem. That's what we cares. So nowadays, web is become a platform for AI and also a space for AI interaction. So W3C as an organization for web, have to ask some questions. When and how we should AI align with the web architecture? And also how can we ensure the security, privacy, IATN, sustainability, and the accessibility on the web when AI runs in the web? Yes. And also what standard we need to enable AI system on the web. So of course, they may have more questions, and also I can't answer those questions right now. We need all of the W3C community to collaborate on those questions. So next, let's see what we have already had for AI in W3C. Obviously, we have already a lot of things to support AI in the web, like the AI in the web platform. We have already got WebNN, WebGPU, WebAssembly things. And also nowadays, I noticed the web machine learning community group work on some web API to support the AOAM and also AI agent things like the prompt API, WebMCP, and MCP UI. There are some discussion in the community group. And also, yes, data and semantic is also important to AI things. As we know, W3C have already done those work for decades, like RDF, JSON-LD, and also some new work in W3C in different community group and the working group. And also web and AI agents. Recently, I noticed that there are a lot of AI browser. I noticed some of them use a WebDriver to operate on the web ecosystem, which is also our W3C technology. And also Web of Things technology enables some AI agent communication with each other within the Web of Things technology, and also some multi-agent system and the AI agent protocol. Have already a lot of discussion in the community group in the W3C, and also our work on DID and the verifiable credential federal ID things can support the AI agent on the web, make sure the trust and the identity things. So I think technology alone doesn't make the web better. We also need to make sure the AI on the web responsible. So W3C from the horizontal contributions shapes the impact of the AI. In web machine learning working group, we have an ethical principle for web machine learning, and also tag work on the web user agent from the principal things for the agents thing. And also from W3C team, Dominic led some reports like the AI impact on the web and also AI agent impact report. And also, yeah, there are also a lot of relation discussion happens in security and privacy and also accessibility groups. As we see, there are really a lot of groups to support AI can run on the web and going to the web ecosystem. But we still think we lack a place to talk about AI in purpose, like the where to, as I mentioned, the question, where we can answer those questions. So months ago, we tried to set up a interest group called Web and AI interest group. Now this charter have already going to the AC review. I believe most of you have already received the review request. Please have to review this charter. And yeah, this interest group want to provide a forum to explore and discuss how emerging AI-related technology impact and intersect with the web, and also consider how the community could collaboration to shape these evolutions for the benefits of a web user. And besides this interest group, we also want to host a workshop in nearly future. Now this workshop still in discussion. If you want to have any comments, please find this slides and go into the GitHub issue. And we want this workshop focused on the AI agents and the web browser to explore the intersection of the AI agents and the web browsers. Okay, to wrap up, and we welcome people can collaboration on the web and AI, not because it's a really hot topic, but it's really important to the web. And there are several ways I list here, maybe engage in the upcoming, if there is no objection, the upcoming the web AI interest group to explore the AI and the web from a holistic and strategic perspective. And also listed a lot of working groups. You can join them and to contribute your use case and the requirements and technical insight, help to shape the standard used for AI. And also welcome to join the discussion and the upcoming the AI agent and the workshop. Yeah, by the way, in next hour, we will have AI agent and the web breakout session, and also welcome to communicate with Dom and I there. Yes, that's all I have for today. Thank you.